Hi, I'm Katie from Ornamental Trees, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to install an irrigation kit for a tree being planted in the ground. This is a great and very simple piece of kit that allows your tree to be watered directly at the roots, reducing water wastage and helping your tree to establish properly. Here we're using a medium-sized irrigation kit, which is suitable for trees up to 2.5 metres in height. We also offer a large-sized one for trees taller than 2.5 metres. For trees being planted into containers, we offer container irrigation kits, which we've covered in another video. You'll receive your irrigation kit in two parts. You'll have one long bendy pipe and another straight pipe with a double attachment on one end and a cap on the other. Simply attach the ends of the bendy pipe to the straight pipe to form a circle, like so. Give them a good push to ensure they are secured firmly. Place it into the planting hole, circle side down. The cap should ideally be just above the level of the ground, so it's just poking out once your tree is planted. The straight pipe can be shortened if you find it is much taller than the depth of the planting hole. To do this, remove the double attachment and using a pair of scissors, carefully cut away a section of the pipe, replacing the attachment afterwards. After you've placed your irrigation kit in the planting hole, place your tree in the middle and backfill with your planting material as usual. To water your tree using the irrigation kit, simply pour water through the cap until it is full, and water will be dispersed to the root ball via the holes in the bendy pipe. Make sure to continue surface watering your tree as required, especially in periods of hot or dry weather. You can learn more about watering trees in our other video guide on how to water trees correctly. Thanks for watching. For tree planting and care advice, please visit the Ornamental Trees website and make sure to watch our other video guides.